Greetings and salivations, and welcome to this first ever installment of SeaWorld. And what better place to start it off at than SeaWorld? So let's go on in and see what we can see.
All right, our first stop today is flatbreads and fry cones. One of our favorite stops along the way here at SeaWorld. And it's a little bit of a long line, but that's all right. It's Memorial Day weekend.
Fry cone, I'm gonna get a fry cone.
Now we've come and got our fry cone. And I like pretty much anything that's in a cone. Fry cone, snow cone, cone heads. Anything that's in a cone, I like it. Dogs, kittens with the little cones on their head, love it. Alright, so we're going to try some of these fries. Now, in the past, the times that we've come here before, I think that they had regular fries. So now they have waffle fries, which, you know, are good too. And we're going to try them out and see what we think. Hey everybody, I'm standing here by this flagpole. As you can see, there's a flag there. Krista's making me stand here because I was bad. And she went somewhere, I guess to go on a roller coaster or something, to have fun. But she's making me stand here. I don't wanna. Oh, here she comes. There she comes. There she is. And she's got a map. Now we can figure out where the heck we're going. We're here at the Bat Ray feeding pond, petting pond. And
I'm gonna do a practice fish.
Krista's gonna feed some of these bat rays here. What kind of fish are those that you're feeding? What do we have there?
I forget what they're silver something.
Silver size. Look at those babies. Oh yeah.
Oh, you see me?
Oh. Wow, check that out.
It felt like a little vacuum cleaner sucking on my finger.
That is cool. You can actually intermingle with the bat rays here and pet them and feed them and stuff. Really cool.
Who's gonna get it? Same guy, huh? Oh, you got little teethies.
Oh, watch the teeth. Check out all those rays. Just waiting to get fed and petted. Just like a water kitten or something. So if you come here to SeaWorld, you can hang out with the bat rays and pet them and feed them. And you don't even have to worry about getting stung by their barbs because their barbs have been trimmed. Wow, that guy came right out of the water.
Oh my God!
Look at that guy. He wants it bad. So you can come up here on this veranda and look down and see all the rays from a strategic vantage point. And they look really cool swimming around in this big pond here. There's our girl. Yep. Hi. All right, we're going to head on in now to the Sharkarium. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's called, but you get the idea. There's sharks in there. Sharks. Sharky. And we're going to go look at some sharks. And hopefully it's not too scary. All right?
Let's go see some sharks.
Don't be scared.
Let's go see some sharks.
Sharky.
Sharks.
Now, the coolest thing about this shark area is that they have a tunnel, and you can kind of see it there, a tunnel that you can actually walk through and see the sharks swimming all around you. It's as if you were in the water with the sharks, which is kind of scary, but you'll be all right. I'm here. I'll protect you. All right. Let's go on into the tunnel. The tunnel of sharks. It's going to get a little scary, a little dark and scary. Okay, check it out.
See yourself.
Wow, look at those lights, man. Check it out. Oh, wow. She's freaky, man, and I like it. All right, so we're going down, down, down. right, we're getting close now. I feel it. Wow, look at this. Psychedelic lights. Pretty cool. The cool thing I like about this area is how blue you can be. I mean, just look how blue I am. It's pretty cool. It's cool to be blue. It ain't easy being green, but it's cool to be blue. All right, we're getting ready to head on into the tunnel of sharks. Whoa, look at that guy right there. That is a gnarly looking shark. Totally cool. Look at this guy, just swam right over top of it. It's almost as if you're in the water with the sharks in some kind of tubular shark cage. Very cool. You can see the tunnel goes down for about 20 feet or so. Look at that. That is so cool. You're in the water. Sharks in the water. It's all good because you know what? They can't get in here to eat us. And that makes this experience so much fun. Alright, getting ready to head on out of the tunnel of sharks. One more shot of this guy right there. Wow, look at the teeth on that sucker. We're getting ready to go in and look at the turtles. Krista, how do you feel about turtles?
I like turtles.
She likes turtles. Alright, who doesn't? Alright, heading on in to look at the turtles. Here comes Mr. Turtle now. Look at the eyes on that. That is one sweet turtle. He'll give you the shell off his back. When I first glanced, I thought it was a Yoda hat, but that's a different place. And we will be visiting sometime in the near future. But what that actually is a turtle hat. And I will model it for you. What do you think? Should I put on the turtle hat?
Yes.
All right. What if I look like a dork, though?
So.
Really, nothing's going to really change. Is
Not
it?
much.
All right. Hi, everybody. I got a turtle hat on. Check me out. Check out these shiny, shiny, shiny fish. How cool are these shiny fish? Oh, and who's that? That's our girl. There she is, right there. Well, we were getting ready to wrap it up, folks, but wouldn't it be a trip to SeaWorld without seeing the sea lion here at Sea Lion Point? We're going to go over and check it out and see what we can see. Maybe we'll see some sea lions. Check this guy out. Now that is what you call a sea lion. You got anything to say, sea lion?
Here, put it in the hole. Put it in the hole right here. Here, take it. Put it in the hole.
He looks like a nice guy. See you later. Did you have a good time today, Krista? Yeah. All right, folks, we're going to call it a day. That's it for us for today here at SeaWorld. We're going to come back many, many, many times over again. We would have liked to have seen more today, but we had to call our battery some excuse. Okay? All right. Glad you are buying that, because that's the story I'm going with. I'm sticking to it. So we'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. You can see a lot more of it. All right. See you later.